of a far-off place where the heroes would be waiting for me, where the crowd will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I can go the distance, I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down alone, no more to embrace my fate. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I see it through. And I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I say on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slow, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance. And my journey is hopefully, oh yeah. But I look beyond the glories, the hardest part, where heroes stand this measure by his heart. Like a shooting star, I will go the distance. I will search the world, I will face his heart. I don't care how far, I can go the distance till I find my heroes welcome. When it needs your arms. I will search the world, and I will face its harms till I find